Hey UK Lock Sport, I've got another video for you. After watching Mark's video on the tubular locks, I wanted to have a go myself. I bought Southord 7 and 8 pin tubular picks off one of our great forum members. So I'm going to have a bash with them, see how they go. I've picked this one once with it and it wasn't too bad. So I'm going to have a go on camera and I feel a bit more able to do it on film. It's a 7 pin cam lock. Yeah. So yeah, key works fine. Got these off eBay. It wasn't too bad, it was about £10.30 delivered for 8 of these. So I've got plenty to play about with. Right. So, extend these a little bit. Make sure they're nice and flush. Now it's not like some of the pros make it look. They make it look really easy, where they just stick it in, twist it, and it pops. It's not that easy. There really is a knack to this. So let's have a look. So I'm just pushing it in, twisting, bringing it out, and twisting, and back in. Bob's your uncle. There you go. Brilliant. So yeah, that works an absolute treat. I know we were having a discussion not long ago about tubular picks, and I've only tried the 7 pinner, but it's absolutely brilliant, this pick. Yeah, so that's that picked. I picked up the next one to have a practice with. It's also made by Camlock. You can see that. The problem is, unlike the rest of them, this isn't circular inside. It's a bloody octagon. So your pick doesn't fit over it properly. So I'm going to have to make myself a dedicated tension tool and a single pin picket. Yeah. Pain in the arse. So there you go. Pick with the tubular pick. Hope you guys liked it. Cheers.